Claude just became smarter than GPT for most people, not because of the new model, but because of this one trick. Here is what's happening. Most people switch to Claude and starts from zero, but didn't get the result which they have integrated with their GPT. But from this tip, you can do is you can import all your GPT memory to Claude. So what you need to do is you need to go to capabilities and then you need to go to import memory from other AI providers. Start import. I need to paste that prompt over here in the chat GPT. And if you comment GPT, I will share you that prompt and it will collect all the information of your GPT, whatever you have created in the 2 years, 1 year, 6 months in the chat GPT part. And copy these instructions and put it in the paste column and add to memory. Boom. Now your GPT has all the memories, all the your contact history, all your preferences, everything in one go. Comment GPT if you want this prompt and detailed tutorial.